Are you a charity or social enterprise that's struggling with complicated platforms for accepting donations or selling your services online? Here's a simple, free alternative that takes just 15 minutes to set up. Meet Ko-fi, a platform for creators, charities and social enterprises. No technical skills needed. If you can set up a Facebook page, you can master Ko-fi. With Ko-fi, you can accept one-off donations, set up recurring memberships, and sell both digital and physical products, all from one simple page. What does Ko-fi charge? Ko-fi doesn't take a cut of your donations. Every single penny goes directly to your cause. If you sell something on your page, they take a small commission of 5%, which is less than other platforms. You can also customize your page to match your brand, then share it anywhere: your website, social media, or newsletters. Getting started takes less than an hour. Simply visit ko-fi.com, sign up with your email, add your logo and description, connect PayPal or Stripe, and you're ready to start fundraising. We hope you're ready to give it a go. But if you need help, our Cymru team offers free digital support to third sector organisations across Wales, funded by the National Lottery Community Fund. We can help you with Ko-fi or any digital challenge you're facing. Visit our team or click below if you'd like to talk it through with a member of our team.